so you don't like doing videos or maybe not even engaging in social media, but you do know how to type, well, you're gonna like today's video because I'm gonna be showing you how you can create an additional stream of income making $200 or more per day by simply typing. Stay tuned. So we're back, guys, and Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. And like I said, today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $200 or more per day by simply typing. Now, if this is your first time visiting the channel, if you have not done so already, definitely at any time in the video, hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we drop new content. But on to today's video. Hey, we're going to be showing you, because I know we get questions or people telling me that, hey, I'm not comfortable doing videos, or I'm not into the whole social media marketing thing or going about making money on social media. So what we got for you today is an alternative, which I think you're really going to like, because here's the fact: most of you have a computer or access to a computer or a smartphone anyways, right? So why not make a few extra $100 on a daily basis or weekly, whatever you choose, simply typing, right? So the website I'm going to be showing you guys today is texbroker.com, guys. Now, Tex Broker is simply intermediate or basically acts as a middleman, right, between companies, some large and small, and content creators, people who are writing content and bringing them together. That's what Tex Broker does, right? Because there's companies out there. Every company has a product or a service. That's business. Every business, a product or service, right? Well, to sell your product or service, you need people to visit your website and purchase. Well, without the content to draw them in, these companies have a hard time doing that. So what they need is content for SEO purposes to rank their websites for their product and their services on a continuous basis to draw in new people to become customers and clients of theirs, right? So what these companies do is they go to platforms like Tex Broker and they say, hey, we need content. We need content to get us some content. That's where you come in, right? So what I'm going to show you here is we're on texbroker.com, and I'm going to show you, first of all, they have tens of thousands of clients, guys. Tex Broker is not some new company. It's a legit company that we made money with, and people all over the country have made money with, right? It's not something new. They have clients, as you can see here, just a few to name: Staples, eBay, world-renowned companies, iProspect, 1&1, Conductor, right? So this is not some small-time company. They're a legit company, and they pay you out in a legit way, cash. All right. So I'm gonna take you in real quick. We're gonna take a look at why you want to work with Tex Broker. All right. So we're gonna go down to a few highlights here, just to name a few, show you a few. And number one is free registration. Now, there are companies out there that are similar to Tex Broker, right? But they charge you some kind of either upfront fee or a continuous membership fee just to gain access to their platform of clients that they have that are looking for content, right? Tex Broker, on the other hand, is absolutely free. Costs you nothing to sign up, right? And like I said, you get direct access to the Tex Broker recruit clients, right? So you don't have to pay any additional to see what the assignments are out there. You know, the requests for thousands on a daily basis, thousands of requests for content. Weekly payoff, right? So they pay you on a weekly basis. I'll touch on that in a second. Flexible time management. So for those of you out there who work a full-time job or a part-time job and you're looking for just something on the side, it's a perfect opportunity. There's no minimum hours that you have to put in a day or a week or anything like that. You just work as you feel, as you please, basically, right? As frequently as you would like. And again, there's no shortage of work. And then helpful feedback. One of the ways, Tex Broker rates its writers, its content creators. They have a rating system, right? And they have editors who are responsible for this, assigning these ratings. Well, they, on a continuous basis, they're constantly, reviewing and your content that you submit and recommending, giving tips and things like that to help you improve as a content creator, as a writer, and therefore improve your rating. Unless you're already what is known as a 5-star rater, content creator, as you'll see in a second. They have blogs, tutorial videos, things that help you improve and and grow, to stay up to date with what Tex Broker is doing, and just to help you improve as an overall content creator. So next thing we're going to do is go into how it works, right? Simple, easy, five-step sign up process. One is the registration, right? So the initial step is going to be to fill out a little bit of information about yourself and then submit it, as well as they're going to verify your U.S. Citizenship, right? Unfortunately, this is limited to only people in the United States. You have to be a U.S. citizen to do this. So for those of you who are outside of the United States, I encourage you to check out some of our other videos on the channel, as we have opportunities that we have shared before for people internationally. All right, but this one, so they're going to verify, number one, your U.S. citizenship, right? They have this form here, and then the next thing is this form, right? The second step, which is submit a writing sample. With this writing sample, they give you a few little guidelines. You're going to submit a writing sample, 200 to 300 words based on the criteria that they assign, which is the same for everyone. And then from there, once you submit that, they have step 3, which is to receive your rating, right? They have a 2 to 5 star rating system. I'll show you more of that in a second. And then the fourth step is to, basically complete your author profile. You're going to add a little bit more, maybe information about yourself, some areas of expertise and things like that, to help you gain maybe access to more opportunities on the platform. Then the last step, guys, is what we're all after, right? Start writing for cash. Start getting paid, okay? It's really simple. Takes a few minutes to make this happen, right? And so that takes us to, of course, this part, how we want to get paid. All right, now, again, I'm going to give you guys a tip in a second on how you can multiply how much you make. It's going to be really awesome. You'll love it. So here we go. Your earnings at a glance. Again, 2 to 5 star rating system. 2-star rater is going to make 0.7 cents per word, up to 5 cents per word for your 5-star writers out there. Okay. Now, to give you a quick glance of how this works, 1,000 words, right? Maybe a page, 800 to 1,000 words is about a page or so of writing, regular font and stuff like that, right? So 1,000 words, let's go in the middle here. A 3-star rating. For you writers, some of you writers out there, right? $10. Maybe that takes you 10 minutes for some of you. Maybe it takes 30 minutes for some of you. $10 in 30 minutes, right? Or, you write 2,000 words. That's, 2 pages, $20 in an hour. How many of you are making $20 or more an hour at your job? Some of you might. $20 isn't a lot, but it darn sure is not a little. And I would love to make $20 more in every different venture thing that I have going on. I'll tell you that right now. But what if you wrote, let's see, 2,200 words? That's $22. Maybe somebody, let's go to 4,000 words. 4,000 words, guys. A 3-star rating, that's $40. $40, right? That's awesome. But here's the tip I'm going to give you guys. So you get an idea of how much money you can make, right? And again, you can be the tick, 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 tick typer, or you can be the, I can do this in my sleep type. You write one book in a few days or a day or whatever type. It does not matter. It is opportunity for everyone here to make money doing this, okay? But what I'm going to give you is a quick tip that will help you exponentially grow the amount of money you make here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google Docs, guys. This is awesome, right? Because the average person, guys, can type 30 to 40 words per minute. But the same average person on average speaks 150 words per minute. So what we go here is, if you have a Google account, if you don't, create one. Everyone, once you have a Google account, you have access to Google Docs. This is awesome for this. And I'm going to show you why. So once you go into Google Docs, you click on blank, basically a blank document, and you're going to create it. What you do is you go into Tools, click on Tools, you go down here, Voice Typing, right here, click this. With this, drag this over a little bit, you would click to speak. Guys, all you have to do is have a microphone. If you have a microphone, you can do this. Again, you can either type it 30, 40 words a minute or more for some of you guys who are really, really good and quick at typing, or you can speak your content out. And what this does is, as you speak, it types for you. Okay? So being that you can either type 30 to 40 minutes a word, or you can speak 150 minutes per word and exponentially increase the amount of words you write in the same time period, okay? And therefore, your money reflects that with Tex Broker. So that's the quick tip, guys. If you want to, grow and say instead of making $200 in a day to making $400, $500, $600 in a day, that's the way you're going to do it. So for those of you who are looking at this saying, I think I can do this, you definitely want to do this. And another thing I'll add real quick is Grammarly. If you do not know what Grammarly is, look it up. You can get it as a plug-in on your computer, or your laptop, or your desktop. And then smartphones, you can download it onto your smartphone, iOS, Android as well. But what it does is it helps improve basically your text, right? So if you misspell a word, it'll make a suggestion to correct text for you. Similarly to some of the programs built into, like, say, Word and stuff like that, helps with commas, period, punctuations, things like that, right? So that's all a part of the rating system on Tex Broker, right? So those are some of the things that are they're going to basically judge you on and then provide you your overall rating, okay? So the better you are with those things, the better, the greater chance you have of having a higher rating, and therefore making more money, as you've seen in the example. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, comment below, let us know you enjoyed it. If you have suggestions, recommendations, other things similar that people can try out, also let us know in the comments. And then share this video. Check us out on all social media platforms. That's Revenue Pro Tips. And that's it, guys. Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Until next week, peace.